one of the most anticipated motorcycles ever to come to the auction block here at Mecum, Las Vegas is on the turntable right now. 1915 Cyclone V-Twin, completely restored by the expert in that business, Stephen Wright. And world records may fall here, Paul.
We'll see. This bike was purchased by Urban from Bud Eakins and his buddy Stephen Wright, who wrote the American Racer books, did the restoration. Stephen knew his early American motorcycles. Terrific machine. Last one that sold in 2019. 800 grand. Let's see what we do today. No reserve. This bike is going to sell.
Yes. You may have heard the air horn in the background indicating a telephone bidder is in play with this motorcycle. $500,000.
Well, we're already on my top 10 right now. The point of entry is 500,000. Wow. Now we're at 6.
It's climbing.
Keep going, guys. Push us into the stratosphere.
Oh, that's awesome.
700,000. I think we're at number 3 on my list now.
So I'm a little bit.
$850.
Just give $1 million. Give $1 million for
Come on, guys.
Oh,
we're
my
already
goodness.
at the most expensive motorcycle ever sold at auction.
The first $1 million motorcycle is within reach here, ladies and gentlemen.
Push it over the top, guys.
$1 million. 900. Okay. $1 million
Oh,
is bid.
there it is,
We
Paul.
have finally broken the $1 million barrier.
$1 million.
We've been talking about this since Cyclone was sold in 2009. Here we are.
1,200,000. Give 1,200,000.
We've just blown away
You know
the
what?
record.
He's going to be riding your Cyclone. That's right. Give $1,200,000. 1,000,001. 1,000,002. 1,000,002. Oh. 1,150,000. 1,002,000. 1,002,000.
Hey, a $50,000 bid is not insignificant.
I have 1,150,000
but not on a
bid.
$1 million bike.
At 1,200,000. 1,200,000. 1,200,000. 1,200,000. What, he knocked you out for a measly 50 grand? 1,200,000. $1,150,000 is the bid. Anybody else? 1,200,000.
Oh, we're not finished.
Oh, 1,300,000. 1,300,000. 1,300,000.
We have obliterated the world record, which was at 950,000. We are $300,000 past that, kids.
$1,300,000. Wait a minute. Hey, it almost worked before. You want to give 1,250,000? 1,250,000. 1,250,000. 1,250,000 once. $1,250,000. Do it. Give 1,250,000. 1,250,000. 1,250,000. Anybody else? Sold. $1,200,000.
Look at the crowd.
Drake Sprackland.
That was exciting, folks.
Light it up,
Blew away the world record by $300,000.
Wow. And you have just witnessed the first ever motorcycle to sell for $1 million plus.
Way over
Anywhere.
$1 million. Way over
Anywhere.
$1 million.
10,000 on the bid. 10,000. Thank you. 10,000 on the bid. 10,000 on the bid. 12,000.